Sanding and SK Chairman Harvey Coronel from Barangay Bacario, Dacoy.
Punong Barangay Honorable Sofronio Alcantara and SK Chairman Honorable Carl Jairus Glory of Barangay Francisco de Gras.
Punong Barangay Jerry Gozar and Honorable SK Chairman Justin Carl Zapata from Barangay Gregoria de Jesus.
Punong Barangay Honorable Jolito Avellanosa and SK Chairman Honorable Jerry Bustamante of Barangay Severino de las Ay.
Punong Barangay Eduardo Sardenia and SK Chairman Orion Reyes from Barangay Colonel J.P. Elises.
Punong Barangay Honorable Ismael Bagobe and SK Chairman, our SKF President Honorable Alex Paicana of Barangay Pantaleon, Granada.
Punong Barangay Arian Ramos and SK Chairman Bernardo Baquit Jr. from Barangay Kapitan Kua.
Punong Barangay Honorable Arnaldo Mendoza and SKF Chairman Honorable Jason Natarde of Barangay Jacinto Lombrero.
Punong Barangay Honorable Valentin Isa Jr. and SK Chairman Gilbert Tejada from Gavino, Maderay.
Punong Barangay Honorable Jean Garita Garcia and Honorable SK Chairman Honorable Gilbert Tejada Jr. Honorable Casper Troy Plantilla of Barangay Epifanio Maria.
Punong Barangay Lonimer La Cruz and SK Chairman Leo Lee from Barangay Marcelino, Benitez.
Honorable Punong Barangay Valentin Iso Jr. and SK Chairman Honorable Gilbert Tejada Jr. of Barangay Gavino, Madera.
Punong Barangay Honorable Alexander Navino and SK Chairman Eugene Bulawan from Aldiano, Olaes.
Punong Barangay Honorable Jose Rivera and SK Chairman Honorable Carl Lawrence Apuba of Barangay Fernando Calido.
Punong Barangay Roger Miames and SK Chairman Kokoro Reming from Francisco Reyes.
Punong Barangay Honorable Gregorio Ligue and SK Chairman Honorable Jennifer Rebatavia of Barangay Inocencio Saliu.
Punong Barangay Bernardo Paternal Jr. and SK Chairman Cleo Nasantiano from Barangay San Jose.
Punong Barangay Honorable Rivero and Regino and SK Chairman Honorable Ren Carlo Tuwatis of Barangay Teniente China.
We have Punong Barangay Maria Josephine Binalay and SK Chairman Honorable Joshua Dagatan from Barangay Benjamin Tirona.
And of course, Punong Barangay Honorable Gloria Suarez and SK Chairman Honorable Renz Carlo Glalaga of Barangay Nicolasa Perata. Hello everyone, and we acknowledge your presence here. Thank you so much. Ano ba, grabe yung suporta ng mga barangay na yan. Kasi sila ang backbone ng mga support. They are really the support system of our candidates, our nakalimutan.
Yes, of course.